to make a scrub hat. Materials and equipments needed. Fabric that measures 12 inches by 27 inches for the side of the hat. Fabric that measures 7 by 10 inches for the top of the hat. Don't worry, I will show you how I made this. Scissor. Fabric marker. Elastic that measures 6 inches. Fabric clips or pins. Thread that matches the fabric. Ruler. Sewing machine. Shear scissor. These are the steps. First step, make a pattern. In making a pattern, use a bond paper. Cut 1 inch at the bottom of the bond paper. Fold the bond paper into 4 equal folds. Mark a dot 3½ inches from the center. Mark another dot 2.25 inches from the corner. Connect the dots forming an oval shape. Cut the bond paper following the markings you made. You can trace the bond paper to a cardboard, especially if you will be making multiple scrub hats. Trace the template into the fabric. Next step, cutting the side of the hat. Fold the fabric into 6 inches. cut the fabric into 27 inches length. Sew the edges together. Fold the fabric into half. Fold the edge into 1 inch. Insert the 6 inches elastic inside the fold. Make sure to put it on the middle of the folded 1 inch, away from the stitch line. Pin the middle of the elastic on the connecting part of the fabric. Sew the end of the elastic 2 inches above. Sew the end of the elastic into the fabric. Make sure to sew it at least double. I sew mine 3 times. Sew the middle of the elastic with the fabric. Sew the edge of the folded fabric. Pull the elastic to flatten the fabric. Sew the fabric once it's flat. Make sure not to sew the elastic. Aim that the elastic will be on the middle. Continue sewing all the way around the hat. With the fold outside, connect the top of the hat with the side fabric. pins to secure the connection. Sew around the fabric to connect the top with the sides of the hat. Cut the edges with shear scissor to prevent from fraying. Otherwise, sew with a zigzag stitch or use a serger if you have. Turn the right side out. I hope you learned from my video. Press subscribe and share to support my channel. Press the bell button to be notified with my upcoming videos. Thank you.